right, so we are comparing fractions today. So let's look at this set of fractions right here. We have 3/4 and we have 1/2. Okay, both are fractions. Now, a lot of times you're gonna have models with these, so that makes it a lot easier to be able to see it. So 3/4, if I were to color 3/4 in, it would look like that. If I were to color 1/2 in, it would look like that. Models make it really easy to compare fractions when they don't have like denominators. Okay, so when I'm looking at this, which one did I color in more? Right? It's pretty obvious I colored this one in more. So we would put 3/4 is greater than 1/2. Okay, you can easily see right there. Okay, if you didn't have a model to do, this one is pretty easy, okay? These are both the same, so I just have to look at the numerators up here. Which would be more, if I had 4 out of 6 or if I had 1 out of 6? Well, easily, you can tell, okay? 4/6 is greater than 1/6, okay? Again, if you don't have a model down here, let's look at this one. We have 2/3 and 1/4. Okay, 2/3 and 1/4. I'm going to use my is it less than, equal to, or greater than half trick. Okay, 2/3. Is that greater than, less than, or equal to half? I know 2/3 is greater than half. Okay, I'm going to put a little plus there so I know it's greater than half. 1/4. Is it greater than, less than, or equal to half? Well, I know 2/4 would be half. Okay, so this is less than half. Well, if this is less than half and this is greater than half, I know that this one is automatically going to be greater than this one, right? Okay, last one over here. I have 8/10 and I have 8/12. On this one, my numerators are the same, so that makes it nice and easy to be able to figure out. This means I get 8 slices of pizza either way. Do I really want to share it with 10 people or do I want to share it with 12 people? Right? I want to share with as few people as possible so I get more pizza. I would rather share with 10 people because 8 out of 10 is more than 8 out of 12. Okay, so again, this one is going to be greater than 8/10 is more than 8/12. Okay, I have to look at these this time down here. All right, good luck comparing fractions. Okay, use a model, draw it out if you have to, shade the same parts, and always use that greater than, less than, or equal to half trick.